Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I have 3 very special packages that I want to unbox for you. The first one is here, which is a crazy kick-ass prototype of something that I've wanted for so long, and we will unbox it together. The second package is food, limited edition or special edition food. And then the third package is a gift from our friends from RealMe Philippines. So if you're excited like I am, keep on watching. Let's go. By the way, this video is brought to you by Rose Gold and Black. If you guys don't know who Rose Gold and Black is, they are a premium men's accessories brand. They specialize in men's accessories such as beaded bracelets, necklaces, rings, watches, a variety of leather goods. They pretty much have a ton of products that you can pick from. The quality of their stuff is amazing, especially for the price. And the good news is you can get 25% off by clicking the link down below. And by the way, they are giving away complimentary bracelets such as this every time you check out. So make sure to check them out. Rose Gold and Black. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll flip the camera. I'll move it over here so you can get a top view look over what I am going to unbox. Super excited! Ooh, okay guys, this is it. This is the collaboration between one of my favorite Filipino toy designers and artists, Quiccs. So he is Filipino. He specializes in Japanese street culture type of toys and products. He even has a kick-ass collaboration right now with Adidas. But this, man, this is the prototype of his special edition figure with my alma mater, the Ateneo. So I studied in Ateneo here in the Philippines. It's my school. It's the university that I spent 16 years of my life in. So I was there prep until college. And this, panalo, is the special Ateneo Quiccs figure. Take a look at that. This was released during the homecoming, I think last year. It was virtual, or last year or this year. Can't remember that. I think this is this year. But guys, take a look at the prototype. It looks super dope to all of the Ateneans watching today. Woohoo! Ganda! So you have the eagle wings along the side of the head. Both looks like a really kick-ass helmet. At the back, you have one big fight and magis, which are the things that you usually hear Ateneans say. You have the Ateneo crest here, AMDG over here at the Superstar Adidas shoe. Man, this looks stunning. And of course, Ateneo written over there on the hoodie. Nice! Quiccs, bro, if you're watching, if you make a Megatech version of this, people will go crazy. So anyway, so this one version, there is also like another colorway. So that's blue and white. This one is another prototype of the blue edition. Man, take a look at that. Wearing a nice blue tracksuit. You have the wings again of the eagle on the side of the helmet. One big fight, magis. You have the crest. And of course, you have AMDG on the shoes. Super nice, man. This sold out fast when they announced it during the homecoming. Can't blame them because it is really super good. So which of the two do you guys like? Let me know in the comment section. Shout out nga pala to brother Lloyd Manoloto for loaning these prototypes. These two are the prototypes which was revealed during the homecoming show. And I'm just thrilled to be able to touch them and have them and show them to you today. So shout out Lloyd, maraming salamat brother for sending this over so I can unbox it and share it with my audience. Ang ganda! It's really nice. This is the special box of artist series that comes in. Man, panalo talaga. Super nice, super nice. Woo! Ganda, ganda, ganda. Okay, so as promised, we have another package. Now, this one naman is from Lazada. And I bought this because my good friend, Carlo and Daya, told me that they had limited edition tuna exclusive being sold on Lazada. So Carlo Andaya is the marketing director of Century Tuna, and he told me that there is an e-commerce exclusive Century Tuna. Talaga, pati tuna hinahype ko na ngayon, guys. So let's take a look at this one. So by the way, this isn't sponsored. I bought this. I ordered this from Lazada. I'm a huge fan of Century Tuna, and I just wanted to try this special variant. So I'll actually have this cooked today, and probably if you guys want to know how it tastes, make sure to watch my I don't know, Instagram or TikTok so you can see how it tastes like. So tara, buksan na natin siya. Wow! Ayan na. This is the special edition tuna. I'll link this down below, by the way, so if you want to buy it on Lazada, you can. So this is Flakes Salpicao, Century Tuna. Tingnan niyo yan. Flakes Salpicao. Ganda. Then we have lemon butter. Dito ako medyo excited, guys, yung lemon butter. Mukhang masarap to eh. Yan o, lemon butter. This one is very, very promising. And the third one, I'm not sure if nandito yung third. Lemon butter. Ay, dalawa lang pala nabili ko, lemon butter tsaka flakes in salpicao. But yeah, so yun yung dalawa, lemon butter and flakes in salpicao. So if you guys want to order this, I will link it down below. Again, this is an e-commerce exclusive on Lazada. I will link it down below. So if you guys want to buy, you want to order, you can taste it. You can buy it from there. So shout out again, Carlo and Daya, Century Tuna. You guys rock. I love your products. Thank you for making this variant. And last but not the least, this is a special package from RealMe Philippines. Unfortunately, marami itong lamang food, but inubos na namin. Sorry, Ison. Shout out, by the way, to Ison Guzman. I just wanna read the card. So RealMe Tech Life awaits you March 2, 2021. So as you can see, RealMe Philippines is going more into the smart home space. They're popular with their smartphones, of course, but they are moving into TVs, lampshades, we know the toothbrush, smart bulbs, IPTV cameras, weighing scales, doorknobs. Man, you can expect a lot of stuff from RealMe in the coming days ahead. So shout out to RealMe Philippines again for sending this package. Guys, when this arrived, it had so much stuff. It just so happens na inubos na namin ni Mrs. Hey. And last but not the least, I just want to share with you guys this really nice power bank that I bought because it is so nice. Again, I'll link this down below to Lazada if you want it. So this is the MoFit M114 power bank. So it is 10,000 milliamperes. But what makes this special and what I like about it is that one, it looks good. But number two, it has cables already built in for everything and anything that you want to charge. So it has a built-in USB-C cable, it has a built-in USB cable, and it has a built-in lightning cable. So whatever device you charge, this can charge. And it's already 10,000 milliamperes, and it even has this loop so you can carry around. It's also super portable, lightweight, digital display, and it's not expensive. So if you want this power bank, I will link it down below so you guys can pick it up again on Lazada. Anyway, that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you all have an amazing, restful weekend up ahead. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom. Balita lang, apparently the restaurant or a building two buildings away from us is currently on I think small na fire. So hopefully wala nasaktan, pero we see over there the fire trucks, to see the firemen. They just put the hose and mukhang they're trying to take out the fire. So I just hope na wala nasaktan and I hope kung sino man yung nasunugan, you are able to bounce back. So anyway, katakot. Wow, so you can actually see the smoke now. So it's getting really bad. Dumadami na rin yung mga tao na. Wow. Man, I hope they're able to contain it soon. And again, I pray that nobody was hurt and that the owners of the building affected by this fire can bounce back fast.